Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today get ready to be amazed as we introduce a fantastic range of powerful weapons that don't need bullets. We'll show you some cutting-edge inventions and clever designs that change what we can do without regular bullets. Don't miss out on number 4, Umarex Airsaber Elite X2, a game-changing device in the world of air archery rifles. But before we start, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for updates on all our tech videos. Now, let's get started. Number 12. AEA HPSS Max Air Rifle. This high-power air rifle is a beast, delivering an astonishing 150 foot-pounds of energy in a compact design. What makes it impressive is that it maintains this level of power even at ultra-high working pressures of 4,500 psi. What sets it apart is its ability to keep up this power over many shots, thanks to minimal power drop-off. The folding stock adds an element of portability, making it a great choice for most backpackers. The AEA HP series is known for providing fantastic performance for the price within its category. Made from top-quality aviation aluminum and treated with a tough, hard anodized finish, these air guns are built to last. You can count on excellent accuracy and reliability from this well-crafted air rifle, all at a reasonable price of $600. Number 11. Archery. This impressive 3D printed crossbow pistol is bound to amaze you. It's a small marvel that brings an exciting experience to the table. What sets it apart is the attached quiver, which can hold up to 6 arrows ready for action. The archery derives its power from TheraBand gold rubber or standard pistol crossbow limbs, ensuring it packs a punch. Loading is a breeze, with 2 options, manual or automatic using additional ammo clips. It's highly adaptable, featuring 2 Picatinny rails for attaching accessories like a laser sight, flashlight, front handle, or even a red dot sight or short scope. And the best part? For just $15, you can access the 3D files and print them yourself, unlocking their full potential and obtaining a unique piece of equipment at a fraction of the cost. Number 10. Can Cannon. Imagine spicing up your gatherings with something fun and unique. The Can Cannon is exactly that, a special device made for launching standard, unopened 12-ounce soda cans. It can send these cans flying quite a distance, averaging around 96 meters. This is perfect for those crowded parties when you want to surprise your friends with a refreshing drink. The Can Cannon operates using a unique gas tube system that redirects high-pressure gas upwards. This prevents the delicate cans from getting damaged during launch. What's more, it's versatile. You can even 3D print your own projectiles to get creative. If you're interested in getting one, the Can Cannon is priced at $300. Number 9. Scuba Ringer Mark II. This is something exceptional for underwater sports enthusiasts. The Scuba Ringer Mark II is the world's first compact underwater pistol capable of firing 2 harpoon arrows. It operates using compressed air to propel these small harpoons, making it a must-have for underwater activities. This version is an improvement over the original Scuba Ringer, offering 2 shots and reusable compressed air cartridges with attached arrow launch tubes. Reloading is as simple as replacing the spent cartridge with a loaded one, similar to how a break barrel shotgun works. The Scuba Ringer Mark II can also be handy for self-defense situations where conventional methods might not be suitable. The price for this unique device is $380. Number 8. Steambow Fenris Magazine. Now, let's discuss Steambow Fenris Magazine, a groundbreaking accessory for compound bows. It's a result of collaboration with the famous YouTuber York Sprov. This magazine transforms your compound bow into a completely new category of archery equipment. With it, your bow becomes easier to handle, quicker to get ready, and shoots arrows at an impressive speed. The Fenris magazine can hold up to 5 arrows and is compatible with most modern compound bows. This means you can fire arrows in rapid succession without sacrificing accuracy. Made from durable and lightweight anodized aluminum, this magazine is built to last. The Steambow Fenris magazine is available for $1,100. Number 7. Black XM42 Flamethrower Light. Get ready for some fiery fun with the Black XM42 Flamethrower Light. This handheld marvel is not only affordable but also incredibly entertaining. It brings excitement to your gatherings as it shoots flames up to 33 feet. It's simple, compact, and user-friendly. Just charge the battery, fill the tank with gas or a gas-diesel blend, ignite it, and press the trigger to unleash the flames. With a weight of 5.5 pounds and a 0.3-gallon fuel tank, you'll enjoy 24 seconds of non-stop fiery action with a range of 25 feet. For extended enjoyment, consider adding an optional backpack, extending your runtime to 4 minutes. Get ready to level up your excitement with the XM42 Light Flamethrower, available for $600. Before we proceed to the next powerful weapon, take a moment to hit the subscribe button below. By doing so, you ensure you're always up to date with our fascinating content. Plus, you'll join a community of like-minded tech enthusiasts and gain access to in-depth explorations of fascinating topics like this one. Don't miss out. Number 6. PB4 SPOSA Pistol. Here's a versatile and compact kit designed to keep you safe. Law enforcement officers can rely on this barrelless pistol for close-range defense. Inside the kit, you'll find non-lethal cartridges with different functions like signaling, stunning, lighting up, marking, and even tear gas. These cartridges are pretty light, adding less than a pound to your load. That makes this pistol easy to carry as part of a security detail's daily gear. This pistol also comes with an integrated laser for precise aiming. It's important to note that these cartridges won't work in regular firearms, so they're safe to use. The PB4 SPOSA pistol provides law enforcement officers with a dependable tool for personal protection. Number 5. EMG-01B Coil Gun. Next up, let's explore the EMG-01B Coil Gun, a truly exceptional fully automatic coil gun with 8 stages and low-voltage operation. Unlike many coil guns, this remarkable device operates at low voltage, yet it boasts rapid firing capabilities of up to 8 rounds per second, each traveling at speeds exceeding 45 meters per second. Thanks to its precise microcontroller and a robust lithium-ion polymer battery, this coil gun can charge in under 1/10 of a second, allowing for an impressive firing rate of up to 480 rounds per minute. The price for the Arc Flash Labs EMG-01B is set at $1,350, making it a compelling choice for enthusiasts seeking a high-performance coil gun with precision and speed. Number 4. Umarex Airsaber Elite X2. Here's a game-changing device in the world of air archery rifles. This unique gadget provides you with a double-barrel PCP air archery rifle. It's all about power and precision, even for the toughest game. What makes it stand out is the ability to fire 2 arrows in quick succession. Shoot the first arrow, switch the thumb barrel selector, and release the second arrow. With texturing on the all-weather ambidextrous stock and grip, you can maintain a firm and consistent hold. Plus, there's an onboard pressure gauge to keep track of the rifle's fill pressure, ensuring you're always ready for action. If you're a serious hunter, the Umarex Airsaber Elite X2 is a must-have, priced at $500. Number 3. Gowgun 6 Bow. This extraordinary pneumatic air bow offers 6 shots and operates with a pump-action mechanism. Currently, in the prototype phase, it holds the promise of delivering an entirely new level of power and versatility. The combination of its unique design and cutting-edge technology sets it apart in the realm of air bows. As it advances through the development stages, we eagerly await its official release, as it could potentially revolutionize the way we perceive and use air bows. Keep an eye out for updates on this remarkable creation, as it holds the potential to redefine the capabilities of air-powered archery. Number 2. V-Series High-Power Slingshot. Next, let's talk about a slingshot that's perfect for backyard target practice. The V-Series slingshot accepts various types of ammunition, including steel ball bearings, clay balls, marbles, and even small rocks or gravel in emergencies. What sets it apart is its extra-wide opening and ergonomic grip. When combined with the wrist brace for added stability, you can generate impressive power while maintaining accuracy. Plus, the foldable brace ensures easy storage, and the natural latex rubber bands are easily replaceable. If you're interested in improving your slingshot skills, the V-Series High-Power Slingshot is available for $45. Number 1. Archery Aerostar Pistol Crossbow. Now let's dive into something unique, a weapon that combines features of a pellet gun and an airbow, creating a whole new shooting experience. This slim and ergonomic pistol crossbow is effortless to use. You insert a CO2 cartridge into the handle, load an arrow, and pressurize the gun by lowering the safety lever. With a range of 10 to 15 meters, the Aerostar offers impressive accuracy. One gas cartridge can power multiple shots, providing up to 15 shots with a 12-gram cartridge or 20 shots with a 16-gram one. Regardless of temperature or gas levels, the pressure regulator keeps each shot consistent. To enhance your shooting experience, you can add accessories like an Aerostar stick or a Picatinny rail adapter. Priced at $310, the Archery Aerostar is perfect for target shooting enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We have more amazing videos pinned for you, so be sure to check them out. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you next time on the channel.